gain, inaalagay. First pick saya. Sige, boss. Radiant sila.
It's your turn to ban.
Zup, zup.
Rinig mo kami, Merson. Rinig, Merson.
10 seconds
Merson.
remaining.
Sige lang, boss. Trinayin na namin kanina yung strat ko. Yung push strat. Tangin, ang sakit eh. Hindi yan. May ginawa pa kami kanina, Chen at saka Sylaber. Boss, tayo ba yan? Kala ko yung kaliwa tayo.
I believe it's the enemy's turn to ban.
Kunyari nag-isip tayo.
I believe it's the enemy's turn to
Ay, ano
ban.
daw roll, bossing? Tatanong.
Yan.
Tayo pala yun.
10 seconds
Sanay kasi ako
remaining.
Oo nga pala, Radiant nga pala sila buo.
It's your turn to ban.
May gagamit ng timber sa inyo. Ay, kaya mo to, Lame? Timber. Timber,
10
kaya mo
seconds
gamitin.
remaining.
Tatanggalin ko. Okay. Open ko yan, ha.
5 seconds remaining.
Mars, nagma-Mars ka. Okay. Okay. Kung magti-timber tayo, tanggalin ko to.
I believe it's the
Hindi,
enemy's turn
lalapagan ko
to
na ng
ban.
plano kung gusto mo. Tingnan natin. Timber
10
Mars.
seconds remaining.
Timber mid. Copy.
5 seconds remaining.
Ember. Tanggalin ko Inbo pag may Ember.
I believe it's the enemy's turn to ban. Ten seconds remaining.
Actually sa una lang boss eh. Kasi
5
next ban
seconds
alam mo na yung
remaining.
ano eh. Alam mo na yung titimplahin eh. First pick naman tayo. Ay, hita lang. Nagtitimber ba tong mid? Hindi. Hindi na. Bala ko sana i-flex timber eh.
It's your turn to
Okay,
ban.
okay. Flex timber ko sana siya. Pero, anyways.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Your turn to pick.
PA break. Oh, sira. Ayun. Kaya lang,
10 seconds remaining.
Ako muna siguro.
5 seconds remaining.
Kuhain ko na ta. Hoodwink boss ha.
I'm afraid it's the enemy's turn to pick.
Hoodwink. Ang sarap kasama ng hoodwink na lane timber din eh. Mix and match yung
10
Timber at
seconds
saka ano na yun.
remaining. It's your turn to ban.
Oh, parang nakita ko na tong drop na to. Naku, masusunog ka rin kung nag-timber tayo. Pero okay lang. Mahirap naman mag-macro fire sa ano.
10 seconds remaining.
10 seconds.
5 seconds remaining.
Pwedeng tayo niya.
It's your turn to ban.
Ko. Wala na tayong task. Binana nila. Pwede kong tanggalin to. Hindi rin to actually. Tama ka dyan, kaibigan.
10 seconds remaining. I believe
Galing
it's
ko yan.
the enemy's turn to ban.
Kasi magdi-deep. Alam ko. Tayo minsan yun, first pick at saka first ban. Alam mo na yung daan eh. I-deduff nila eh. Pero
10
si
seconds
yan, si
remaining.
bossing nito yung nagsasabi.
5 seconds remaining.
Okay. So, ang susunod ko, hero muna to, Black Flame, tas ako. Ang pwede nating i-last pick, depende dun sa tatlong ipipick nila.
I'm afraid it's the enemy's turn to pick.
Tignan ko dito, boss. Sa fort. Oo. Mid. Haba.
Your turn to pick.
Oh, tukol ako.
Ember ka na daw, pre. Kunin na, pre.
Your turn to pick.
Ember. So, Ember. Sure ka? Okay.
I'm afraid it's the enemy's turn to pick.
Ano item mo? Tingin ko, first two items lang siguro. May, ay ano ka no? May isang, may Jakiro ka niya, tsaka si W. Anong
10
pasit kukuhain mo
seconds
pala dyan
remaining.
pag ganyan pre? Anong pasit kukuhain mo dyan pag
5
ganyan?
seconds remaining.
Ay, yung dalawang ulti. Okay. Okay, good.
I'm afraid
Forza.
it's the enemy's turn to pick.
Ursa Lane. Break. Ang sarap mag-PA dito. Pero wait lang.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
May break. Asahan natin yung break. Or may bezel. Tano na last pick pa yung post 5. Okay lang. Ganun talaga.
Your turn
Flesh.
to pick.
Nice. Pasok lahat. Nice one. Damn. Carry na to. Razor. We are.
10 seconds remaining.
Parang mas okay ito. Tsaka itong Merc.
5 seconds remaining.
Ayaw. Okay. Then. Pas okay ito. Sayang lahat ng pinaghirapan nila dito. Pagka nahuli ka.
It's your turn to ban.
Isipin nila flex din yan. So, Lesh, ano pang ano natin dito? Tanggal tayo ng F-lane. So, tanggalin ito. Yes, sir.
I
Oh,
believe
ano,
it's the
magkakasundo na
enemy's
tayo.
turn to ban.
Pwede rin tong isa. Hindi na, you know, under. Pero, mix yata siya dito. Pwede siya
10
mag-BP pa
seconds
rin.
remaining.
Okay lang. Tanggalin
5
na.
seconds remaining.
Ito rin eh.
I believe it's the enemy's turn to ban.
NS. Open send. Syntax inaano ko, pinag-isipan ko.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds
Ito, may
remaining.
break lang to pag nag-ags. Pwede. Tanggal WD ko. Di... Here. Dun, 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 dun.
It's your turn to ban. Your turn to pick.
Ito. Enigma gusto nyo? Wala tayong
10
ganong crowd
seconds
control.
remaining. 5
tayong
seconds
crowd, eh.
remaining.
Ganon din gagawin ko yung katulad ng ES kagabi. May push din tayo dito. Grim? Grim. Grim. Pwede naman. Actually, ito, Beno. Tingin ko mas okay ito. Since Bessel, Lason. Kasi wala tayong stunner. Wala tayong hawak gano. Oh, wala tayong ano. Kaya sinasuggest ko tong Enigma o Gear Shaman. Yan yung pinag... so we go for Enigma. Ogre din. Palag ako sa Ogre. Pwede mag-earn to. Ay, pwede mag-vessel to.
I'm afraid it's the enemy's turn to pick.
Ako magbe-vessel. Vessel, kung kaya pang, kung Midas game, or kaya Midas game. Magbabice of sight. Sight of vice pa
10
naman.
seconds remaining.
Direct item ako. Kung kaya.
5 seconds remaining.
Pre, magla-learning curve ako dito. Alam mo na nangyayari pag sila... Sa 5 ako sa 5. Ay, sa 1 ako sa 1. Hindi, joke lang. Tingnan natin. Wala na, inuubos eh. Wala na.
Choose your hero,
Si W.
my good friend.
Gago na sira tuloy. Wala yung tinanggal lahat eh. Tingin ko center talaga sila nun. Hindi sila pwede mag-axe doon. Mabubulol axe doon. Ay, bumili. Carry. Ba mag-carry to? Oh, kaya Candy Works ha. Joke lang.
Ogre Magi!
Tara. Hindi ako naka-learning curve. Tara.
You really should prepare for battle.
Good morning.
Why then?
Who knows?
Tayo na, binigyan na agad.
Running's
Tara
not
boss, tara boss. Sakto yung posisyon namin dito. Tara. Dito na po. Ay, bili. Dito na po kami. Hindi muna ako
I
nag-work.
saw a thing.
Ito na. Ito na boss. Ito na boss. Lesh, lesh. Focus sa lesh. Lesh lang, lesh, boys. Patay na tong CW, boys. Nakuha niya ata. May ano.
30 seconds to battle.
You?
Is this on?
Ay, magaan. Nice.
Me first.
Nag-miss.
When can I hit?
Abot pa tayo sa barya.
Who's stopping you?
Have a little you.
This is it. The battle begins.
What, it ain't started already?
I thought it started. Is that a squirrel?
Come on!
Ay, dito si Lesh.
I'm making a turn!
Ay, masakit pa. Gusto mo niya.
My turn!
After you.
After you!
Two-legged abomination. Good idea.
Cause it was mine.
So, si W support. Clockwork off. Antayin ko lang itong words.
Oh,
Okay? Yep.
yup. Nine.
Hindi, hindi.
Yup.
Hindi tayo, hindi. Hindi tayo, nangyari na yun. Gagi ka. Sinabi ko na hindi eh.
Guess we
Nangyari na kasi yun eh. Wala yung magawa eh. Kaya alisin ko na lang ito. Paluto. Ayun, ito. Sinave lang ako. Ang halan.
Hit them, man.
Ow! Let's go north!
No, south.
Standing. Okay. Ay, nakita. Nice. Galing.
Yeah.
Pulling.
Attack!
Nice pull.
I take no pleasure in informing you that Dyer's courier has been slain.
Enter siya dun.
Let me through.
Ow!
How many levels is that?
One?
Guess we better.
Yep.
This way.
That away! Out of my way!
Hey. Good idea.
Cause it was mine.
Ah, pre. Game na. Malambot ata ito ano. Wala makapasok. Wala makapasok. Wala makapasok. Pero mas okay yung laser up pre. Sa double.
Let's go north!
No, south.
Sa center ko. Babalo. Sakto lang.
Let me through.
Ow!
Oo, meron nga. Parating pala. Parating pala center ko.
Yep.
Yup.
3 minutes pre. Hindi yata nila nakuha. Ay, hindi nakuha.
This way.
That away!
Meron siya. Nice.
When can I
Gawin
hit
pa lang yung break
something?
ko.
Who's stopping you?
Center ko.
Me first!
Magawa na rin. Na-try ko na rin siya. Kaso pag delicious.
Guess we better.
Yep.
Napul ba? Napul. Ilan lang. Ah, ang dami sentry. Sentry nga pre. Ay, sentai yata dapat umano. Wala ka sa loob eh. Pwede yan. Ganun lang yung timing na kuhain natin pre. Tango ako ah.
Good idea.
Cause it was mine.
I'll do legs this time.
Okay. Right there.
Who knows? My turn.
Impure. After you.
After you. Guess
Wala
we
si
better.
Damo nito. Ay, ko lang to. Going for...
Oh,
Okay.
Parang ako.
is that a squirrel?
Next pull to. Double pull to pre.
I saw a thing. Guess we better.
Yep.
Right there.
Who knows?
Mid ready ah. Pupunta ako din mid ah.
is missing.
Mid ready mid ah. Hit your rune.
My turn.
Running
Sa taas ka,
slow is
Merson
fun
ah.
and hitting.
Sa baba ako.
Not one bit fun.
When can I hit something?
Who's stopping you?
What I wouldn't give for a net and a killing jar.
6 minutes.
Di.
Cause it was
6
mine.
minutes, 6 minutes. Awan.
Kalibol 6 muna ako, kalibol 6.
Okay. Hintayin ko lang din yung smoke mo, Merson. Pwede tayo mag-gap after mo mag-sit.
I like this part.
Yes, ba?
Yep.
Yup.
Wala. Diyan nag-pull.
You go first.
7 minutes go. Stuck na ako dito. Lalo. Ah, meron
Smoke tayo ah, Merson.
Let me through.
Dito ah, sa taas ah.
Meron dyan, natanggal yung
Papunta
sentry
kami
ko
sa taas,
dyan.
pre ah.
Coming top daw. Ito nga na, nag-pull ako. Talo. Hindi mabit dito.
Let's go.
Ito na kami.
Ayan, listed yan.
Regrettably, your middle tower is
Tango.
under attack.
Nakuha ng kupal. Bilis ah.
Nakuha mo pre. Sabi sa'yo.
Nakuha niya.
Ah, ganun. Kaya kita may Nardan dyan eh.
This way.
Meron ba?
away.
Hindi, ito pre.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Kunin ko ulit isang smoke pre ah.
Ah, sige lang, boss. Hindi naman namin gagawin.
My way.
Okay.
I saw a thing.
Stack pa ako isa dito ah. Tapos mid ulit.
Oh, center. Okay.
Sa taas ka ulit, Merson.
Meron na.
Okay.
Kailangan ng words dito.
Baka pumunta sa top pa yung ano.
Ah, nilagyan ako ng
Ese
words.
pa, nakawat.
Ito na nga. Ito na.
May smoke pa ako, Ember.
Pwede dito, boss. Parang ko, kulit. Naan. Dami dito, 4. 4 nandito sa top. Pwede kayo mag-TP. May TP ka, Timber. Pre. TP ka, pre. TP ka. Meron. Palagyan. Dumive yun. Dali mo. Sumugod ah. Go, pre. Ayun oh. Jairo. Lalo mo. Bumalik yung Timber. Nag-buyback yung Timber, ha? That's cool. Ay, Timber, Ember pala, Ember.
That was toasty.
Sasalubong ka ata.
Mega kill.
Okay.
Excuse me, but your bottom tower is under attack.
Is that a squirrel?
Come on!
Your bottom tower is under attack. Does this happen a lot?
After you.
After you! I'll do legs this time.
Okay.
Ano naman yung sentry ko? Ay, tayo sentry ko dito.
Why there?
Who knows? Me first!
Bloodlust.
Out of my way!
Hey!
Hindi ko lang din alam.
Tatlo yan, stock niya.
After you.
After you!
Ba't ko ba dito?
Dito ako sa top Merson.
Ito dalawa.
When can I hit something?
Who's stopping you?
Oh,
Okay?
Tatlo sa gitna. Apat. Coconut ata.
hit the road.
Ow!
Sentries coming.
Let's go north!
No, south.
Yung si W pangat pa rin sa atin.
Let me through.
Ow!
Ito.
Guess who's better?
Andito yung sentry ko kanina eh.
Smoke tayo, Ember, pababa.
Tatlo ulit sa amin, ha? May Jairo na rin yan.
Good idea!
Game na ba?
It was mine.
Go tayo sa bot, pre. Timber.
Yup.
Pwede.
Pwede. Tara.
Your middle tower is
Nakasmoke namin
under
papunta
attack.
sa usap.
Just thought you'd
Going.
want to know.
Di nila alam.
Running
Last mo kami,
slice
last
one
mo.
is hitting.
Hindi!
Your top
Ito,
tower
hindi,
is...
hindi, pre.
Your middle tower has fallen. No reflection on it. Oh dear. Your top tower has fallen.
Oh, tinuloy, oh! Wala pa akong skill. Kasi po, lalim na yan. Oh, skill. Naipit yung ano. Okay lang. Hindi siyempre, stun yun. Tirahin mo yung battery assault pagka ano, o kaya hindi rin. Makakano ka rin.
Your bottom tower is under attack.
Walking bottom. At okay lang yun, napatay natin yung ano
Because
nila.
it was mine!
Isang core, isang ano lang. Ano din pala yun.
Okay.
Stuck na lang ako.
Tatlo.
My turn!
Pwede na.
Gago nakuha. ASF.
Isip siguro.
Guess we better!
Palo, Nardon ko yun.
Baka may word siya.
I was distracted for a moment there. What just happened?
That away!
Oo, dito.
Ito. Ito yung word.
Now the place is here.
I'll do legs this time!
Okay. Yep.
Hindi. Doon nilagay, dito nilagay. Pabiling.
Guess we better!
Yep.
Let's go north!
No, south.
Ingat din.
Good idea!
Cause it was
Wisdom
mine.
run, pre.
Secure ko na.
Yup.
Bounty!
My sword thing.
Pumasok sa mid. Wala akong TP.
To matter. Okay.
Jairo, nag-awards? Kaya ba? Hindi, naglapag na dito.
Let me through.
Kasi yung boss. Hinap mo. Tagal talaga eh.
We gave you
Vessel na next ko.